So we're going to make some changes to this game and make it so that we can actually hit some targets. So we are going to be making some changes to the wall. We're going to be removing some targets, moving them out, and changing some of the settings. So right now I'm hitting these and it's telling me I hit them. So let's take a look at what we have here. Now, anytime we're going to make a change or try something, we're going to save a new scene. That's what I did. So if I go open that scene now, you can see I can make any changes I want to and still go back to that scene. Okay? Let's go through the changes I made. And I think I'm going to raise my gun up in a couple minutes, but I'll do that later. So anyway, let's go to the wall, and I changed the size of it. So I made it's just as wide, it's not as high. And you know what? Maybe I'll make it 3. I want it to be not as big. And let's take a look at it. Let's drag it down. Okay. And let's take these. Notice I can hold Shift, go here, and drag all these down. Okay, so let's start with the wall. So now it's 23 by 1. And you can make this any size you want to. It doesn't have to be this size. But we just made it smaller, not as high, so we can bring it down some. I got rid of the red and green targets. I kept my red target. Notice I renamed it. You can rename it anything you want to. I don't care what you rename it. I named mine target hit. Okay. I changed the size. So look at my scale, 2 by 2 by 1.5. It doesn't have to be that. That's just mine. Okay. So I got rid of the green, the yellow, renamed the red. Now, once I get one to, I'm going to duplicate it. So I'm going to duplicate one more so you just see how to do it. I right click, duplicate. Now, you don't see it, but it's there and I just go ahead and move it. So I duplicated all of these, right? I don't like this one here. I want it there. So I moved it down. So I just duplicated them and it made it easy. Now, before I duplicate them, let me back up. Before you duplicate it, let's make some changes. So we're going to add a rigid body to the target. So the red target, rename it, add a rigid body to it, change the mass. We want to do something with it. So you're going to change the mass, then duplicate it. So then every one of these is going to have exactly what you want. Okay? And set them on top of any wall you want to. I don't care where the wall is, how you put the wall, what you do with the wall, that doesn't matter. Okay? All right, so we got that. And then let's go to our player, and let's go to our dummy weapon. Okay. So now we're going to make a change here. So we're going to change the velocity of the bullet. So we don't want it hitting and going up in the air or maybe bouncing off the target. We want to do something to the target. So we're now going to the dummy weapon and changing the velocity to 100. If I can shoot straight. Yeah, not bad. It looks to me like my wall is still off the ground. And then, of course, I'm going to hold down Shift and move all these down. Okay. Oh yeah. So because I still have the script on here, it's still telling me the ones I hit, but it's telling me which one I hit. It's not giving me red, green, or blue anymore. So yeah, now we're going to start knocking stuff over. So we've just made a few changes. So you're going to create a new scene, make these changes, and then save that scene. So now I've saved that scene under hit target right there. My other scene, if I want to go back to it, if I screwed up somehow, I go back here. There I am. I'm back to where I was. So I can do any changes I want to make, do anything I want to make. Um, um, and as long as I save a new scene, or don't save what I did, don't save it and go back to the original scene, I'm good. So make sure you're using scenes correctly and saving scenes every time you do something. So you can see all mine. Yeah, these are all my scenes. And I name them jumping, shooting, whatever, so they mean something. So we'll go back and open that scene that we just did, which was hit target. And there we are. Okay, so get that done, and I'm going to have an assignment up for it, and just submit it to itch.io. Itch.io's had a few problems, server, but if you get blocked, let me know. So anyway, now we're going to start getting this game going, getting some other stuff inside here.